What's up, guys? This is Andre. How you doing? I'm at the auction right now at IAA. I bought some nice cars today. I'm really excited. The weather is crappy, but it was still worth it to get here. So we bought a couple really nice projects that I'm gonna be showing you guys in the next near future. I'm not gonna tell you which cars are those. It's gonna be a little secret, but I'll tell you one thing, that one of them I never ever bought before in my 12 years buying salvage cars. So that should get you pretty excited. So we should get these cars in a couple days, and I'll follow up with you guys soon. Bye. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Today is really exciting day for me and for you, because I'm finally gonna reveal our newest rebuild project, and I'm really excited about it because this car that we're gonna rebuild I never actually bought before, and I always wanted to buy one, but I never got a chance to do it, and finally I was able to do it. And don't worry, this is not this nice yellow Hyundai Accent. It's actually right there, you can see it. Boom! It's a 2016 Range Rover Sport supercharged. Yes, this is our newest project that we're going to be working on, and as you can see, this car is absolutely amazing. It's standing a little bit on angle because, as you will see over here, it has some damage on the left side. Yeah, you just walk around and you see, basically, obviously it looks a little bit scary like that, especially if you're not used to damaged cars. But we put it on the stand so I can show you guys the damage this car has, and actually it's not too bad, you know. I know, see, this wheel is broken off, there is some damage to the bumper, fender, and the rocker molding is missing, and there is some more damage underneath. So, you know, before, when I just started buying cars, salvage cars, I was always scared about, like, when the wheel was broken off, I was like, oh, it's probably like some crazy damage. But in reality, it's usually not too bad. It's just a suspension damage. Sometimes, you know, you can run into a problem when the frame is a little bent, you know, where the suspension attaches to, like the engine cradle is bent. But most of the time, you know, it's not too bad. So let me show you guys a little bit closer the damage this car has, and so you can see exactly what's going on with this car and why it was totaled. So obviously, you know, as you can see, the bumper is broken. Let me show you the suspension here. See, we put it on the stand. As you can see, the control arms are bent, and the axle is completely broken off. So we obviously have to replace the suspension. And also there is a little bit more damage over here on the bottom. See, there is a hit to the gas tank. The bottom of the gas tank has a dent, and there is actually also a fuel leak. So the gas leak, we don't know why yet. We're gonna check it later. See, this little radiator is bent as well, has to be replaced, and the air shock here is damaged. This is actually pretty serious because, you know, the parts for this truck are not cheap, that's for sure. So, but anyway, you know, I don't expect any crazy damage. Also, one more thing that helped me to buy this truck for a reasonable price is that it doesn't start. So that turned a lot of people off. And thank you, man. Yeah, so a lot of people thought that this truck might have some damage underneath, and we're doing the video right now. Yeah, we're showing people the... What's up, man? You got the package for me? Oh, thank you. Oh, thanks a lot, brother. We just got some nice parts for Honda CR-V, I think. All right, so basically guys, when we got this truck, it didn't start. So a lot of people got turned off because obviously the engine for this thing is at least like $15,000, you know, used. So a lot of people got scared that the engine may be bad, might be some damage underneath, something. But we actually went to the auction and checked this car in person, and we actually saw that the engine was cranking, you know. So it didn't start because there is an oil leak, like I said, but there is no damage underneath. So the oil pan is good, everything is good, and we knew the engine is probably good. What?
Gas leak, not oil.
No, I said gas leak, no? All right, gas leak, yes. So because of the gas leak, no gas gets into the engine, and that's why it doesn't start, but it cranks fine, there is no damage anywhere. So I knew the engine would probably be good. You know, we still didn't start it, so I don't know 100%, but I'm keeping my fingers crossed, because if the engine is bad, this is going to be a big problem. But also a lot of, you know, good thing about this truck also is that there is no frame damage, no airbags are deployed. Let me show you guys inside. Let me try to open the door so you can see. You can see inside. Obviously, it looks a little dirty, but you see all the airbags are intact, which is a big plus. And that usually means that there was no structural damage, because when the airbags blow up, you know, the airbag sensors tend to be on the structural elements of the body. So when there is a hit to like a structure, a frame, the airbags usually go off. So at this point, what I'm thinking is what we're gonna need is basically the suspension, bumper, fender, this little radiator. We have to take care of the gas leak, obviously, and possibly replace the gas tank. So it doesn't look like that much damage. Also, a good thing is this headlight here, we looked at it, it's actually good. There is no damage to it, which is important because this headlight is obviously a lot of money. Yeah, so, you know, hopefully we're not gonna have too many issues with this Range Rover. And I always wanted to buy one. I never actually drove a Range Rover myself. And this thing has over 500 horsepower, which is crazy. So I can't wait to drive it, guys. And I'm gonna show you in the next video. We're gonna be looking for parts. You know, we're gonna see how much the parts are, and I'll show you how this rebuild project goes. Hopefully it's gonna go well. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments. I love to read them, and I appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next video. Bye.